Today we're going to talk about something that does not get enough attention, and that is the chords contained within the pentatonic scale. So today we're going to choose the D minor pentatonic scale for a change, and that is played on the 10th fret. So I'm going to start off with the 1, 2, 3. We're going to start off on the E, A, and D string, just like that. All those three notes are on the D minor pentatonic scale. Then we're going to move over here. Those three notes are on the D minor pentatonic scale as well. Now moving over to the A, D, and G string. They sound so jazzy, and you automatically just start sounding way more intellectual and smarter than you are. At least that's how I look at it. What is the significance of those chords, and what do you do with it? I don't know. Maybe go make some music with it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.